You have developed a terrific video game. How do you make it appealing to players everywhere? Sit back, relax, and enjoy the step-by-step video game localization guide. Prepare the localization kit to point translators in the right direction. Localize contextual elements and translate the storyboard. Remember, when piecing the game back together, the story should meet the cultural expectations of your players. Once the translation is complete, put the game content back together. Now it's time to test your new game. Correct any in-context mistranslations and test again. Happy with the result? Go live. With Pangaea Global, video game localization is that simple. Ready to talk video game localization?